So in that last tool, I showed you how you can draw shapes using the pen tool. And even more specifically, I showed you how you can even use it to um, edit those points using the anchor point tool, right? I can click and drag to kind of change these different areas so that they blend a little bit better or completely change shape. But I'm only changing the direction of those points. You can even see I can click these wings individually and adjust them, or these handles that they call them. Uh, and so another really helpful tool to use is your quick selection or your direct selection tool. Um, this allows you to not only um, or I should say this allows you now to actually select those points. It allows you to actually kind of click the anchors. And so you can do a little more control that way. You can edit it that way so that maybe they aren't um, perfectly uniform. The handles can now go in different directions, be in different sizes, but then you can also move those points around as well. It kind of, you might lose some of the blending quality. So you kind of have to adjust those with it. But it kind of creates a nice tool versus using your selection tool to just select something and move it around. So let me delete this. So there's some other kind of nice ways I like to use it. A really kind of cool, quick way to create a raindrop is using your circle tool and just hold shift to actually make a perfect circle. I'm gonna hit Shift X just to switch from a stroke to a fill. Now I'm gonna use my combination of this anchor point tool to click this one to essentially get rid of those handles. And now I can use the quick selection tool and drag that up, and I'll hold shift so it's nice and uniform. And there you go. Now you have a really quick and easy way to create a raindrop. So use the anchor tool to really edit the shapes you want, right? You can change their position, you can adjust the handles. This becomes your best tool to actually edit things once you've drawn them. So take advantage of your direct selection tool to make any kind of edits and changes to your artwork.